Shall we begin? Hi, good evening, Pinaki.
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for taking the time out and joining us today. Glossophobia, or the fear of public speaking. Did you know that more than 75% of the population has it? I do. Even I know. I do have it. And it's a phobia, right? So I could just easily shove it under the carpet and not worry about it. Why do people like you and me need to know about public speaking skills? Well, yeah, it turns out we do. And in case we want to enhance our career prospects or clinch a deal or pitch to a client or take sessions. So we are in luck. We have our very own CA Kalpana Thakur, who is going to share how to tackle glossophobia and develop confidence in public speaking through her own transformative journey. CA Kalpana Thakur is a dedicated chartered accountant driven by her passion for training, making a positive impact in the life of others, which she considers her ikigai. With a profound dedication to public speaking, soft skills training, corporate training, and motivational speaking, she brings over 10 years of extensive experience in audit and assurance domain. Having garnered invaluable insights from her tenure with Deloitte Huskins and Sells, Kalpana currently serves as a partner at Abhishek Jha and Company. Her journey is characterized by a unique blend of expertise in finance and personal development. Beyond her professional endeavors, Kalpana is also a social activist, a Toastmaster, and a certified trainer. Committed to empowering individuals and organizations alike, she stands as a seasoned professional with a holistic approach to growth and development. So, when I mentioned to my daughter that I'll be introducing a speaker for confidence on public speaking, she asked me, Mama, aren't you nervous? I said, Of course not. I'm just confidently terrified. And I've come with my pen and paper and notepad, to take notes during the session and work on my public speaking skills. And before I give the floor to Kalpana, I'll briefly share the structure of the session. It will be an interactive session as her sessions usually are. So I urge you all to be participative and engage in the activities. Keep your cameras on as far as possible. It will help you be more involved and present in the session. Keep the mute button on when you're not speaking. Raise your hand if you have a question. We'll have a Q&A session at the end. And most of all, have fun learning. Now, please join me in welcoming CA Kalpana Thakur. Kalpana, the floor is yours.
Thank you so much, Sunita, for the wonderful introduction. I hope my voice is clear to all of you. I agree there is a connectivity issue at Sunita's end. Maybe you will find the same issue at my end because there is a power cut and due to rain and thunderstorm. So give me thumbs up if my voice, audio and video is clear to all of you. Or type in the chat box clear. Oh, Manisha is giving thumbs up. Okay, so Nikita is saying yes. Okay, so we are good to go. So thank you, Sunita, for the wonderful introduction. And I welcome you all again on our today's session where we will have glimpse to my journey from nervousness to natural. And before I begin, let me share my screen with all of you. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
most of you have attended my sessions in the past, and I have been mentioning about my journey of finding my ikigai, talking about starting my journey as a trainer, as a motivational speaker, public speaker. But can all of you guess when this would have been actually started in my life? To clarify it more, I would like to share that quote that I have mentioned in my limiting belief session. Anything that comes into your mind, it's indication of that supreme power that it's already yours. And what you have to do, put in your effort in the right direction to make it yours. So that direction, that indication when this Kalpana would have received in her life, any guesses? I want answers in the chat box, please. कब शुरुआत हुई होगी इस कल्पना के पब्लिक स्पीकिंग जर्नी की या फिर जानने की वो अवेयरनेस दैट we have talked about 4 stages of learning in my session of communication mastery in school. Sunita is saying in school. Okay. Nobody else would like to try. We have after qualifying CA, Kanika
Can you see my
mentioned.
answer? I have replied, you can't see my answer.
Acha, while you were on maternity break. Okay. Okay. So I have 3 answers. And here is the 4 stages of my life. But before that, here is the answer. I hope you guys will able to guess who this girl is and the journey. Exactly, this certificate will tell when it was started. 2 decades back in the year 2001, when I was in 10th standard, at that point of time, I have been, for the first time in my life, participated in inter-school debate, and I was the 4th or 5th runner-up. As you can see, Protsahan Sthan Prapt Kiya hai, that is written. But this is also not that day when I got the indication. 3-4 years back, when I was in 6th or 7th standard, maybe in the year 96, 97, I was a child who was always interested in being with her books, drawing book. I've never played. I was not an outdoor student. हमेशा I used to love to spend time with my books. या तो कुछ लिखना है या तो कुछ पढ़ना है. And in those initial year of my school, I was participating in handwriting, essay writing, drawing, and I was having couple of certificate of those. And one day I have gathered all of them and I was showing it to my cousin brother. And what he told me at that point of time is the time I got the indication. I will tell exactly in Maithili what he said, then I'll translate it into Hindi. सोनी, ये सब तो ठीक छ, लेकिन तू भाषण में भाग नहीं ले छी की. He said, ये सब तो ठीक है. All of these are fine. But are you not taking part in speaking or allocation or debate competition? I said no. And he said, why not? That is very important. In all of above this, whether you will be able to express yourself to the world, जो तुम्हारे मन में है वो तुम कह पा रही हो दूसरों को, that skill is very important. At that young age, I've heard it, and that incident is still in the same manner in my heart, and that was the indication. 10th, this is the certificate I am sharing. This was the first time I have tried And after this, few more attempts I have given in my college life, and I have won also second, third, or whatever it was. But जब हम बात करते हैं अभ्यास की निरंतरता ही सफलता की कुंजी है, तो that seed I was having, that feeling of working on the public speaking skill was sown into my mind, into my heart at that young age, but I was not giving a deliberate effort to it. I've qualified after my graduation. I've started my CA journey in the year 2009. I've qualified in the year 2012, January 2013, very precise. I became chartered accountant, and in this 3-4 years of CA journey, I've never ever given a try to speak up in any of the event. I was only with my books, with my articleship. Once that GMCS training, all the chartered accountants here would be able to relate to it. That 15 days training, it was a kind of a little pressure to that seed inside me कि कुछ बोलना चाह रही हूँ. उन लोगों, for 50 students, 50 batch size were there of our batch, and I was the one who, a simple girl, बड़ी सी चोटी, बहुत सारा बालों में तेल, and when it used to come to sharing my thoughts, I was not able to put across my point. I've remembered those incidents when the groups were formed, and in one activity I was the leader of the group, and there was a puzzle activity, and I was not able to match the correct puzzle, and all the group member was screaming, they were hinting me, and I was not able to make out. At that point of time also, that limiting belief inside me, I will not be able to do it, I'm not good enough, all that sort of thing was going into my mind. The only thing I did well was writing poem in my GMCS batch. I've written poem on most of the incident. I was good in वो शब्दों को के ताने बाने को बांधने में. I was good at that point of time. Apart from that, nothing good happened when it comes to expressing myself, expressing to Kalpana. Then Deloitte journey was started. Same story was there. I was knowing, again, I'll refer to that seed, that indication that yes, it is there. I have to express myself. I was a dedicated student. I was a serious, dedicated employee, hardworking employee, the one who was um, admired by her senior. But again, when it comes to the internal training and group discussion and partner review meeting, I was someone who was always speaking at the last or even not contributing. Then the third stage began, year 2018, start of my motherhood journey, as Shefali has mentioned. And in those period in Corona time, I found that coaching and training is my ikigai. In the year 2022, in one of the session conducted by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, where respected CA Rajkumar Adukia sir was addressing, he has mentioned that anybody who is having fire in their belly, they want to take any session, they can reach out to me. I reach out to him, and I got the opportunity to speak as a speaker on 30th September 2022, and I chose the topic opportunities in corporate law. I have prepared for whole lot month, and in that period, I have also moderated few of the session as well. So वो फिर से अभ्यास की निरंतरता ही सफलता की कुंजी है. I felt like yes, I am progressing. So that happened. I've done moderation. I've given that session also. It was my first session, not that great and not that bad also. But recently I've heard a deliberation by Dev Gandhi, and he has mentioned about building your gut muscle. हम फिजिकली एक्सरसाइज करके गट मसल, हमारे बाइसेप्स मसल बिल्ड करने की बात करते हैं. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कमिंग आउट ऑफ आवर कंफर्ट जोन, देयर इज अ strategy which we should follow to work upon our fear. Specifically, when we talk about fear and nervousness of public speaking, a very little at a time, thoda thoda karke we have to work upon it. So when I am referring to that 2022 period, I was I've started working on it, but after that, September ho gaya, October ho gaya, everything was back to normal. In December 22, from Bihar, we came to Faridabad because kids were supposed to admitted to school. And important event, the Kalpana, who was not taking a concrete effort to work on her public speaking and communication skill in last more than 2 decades, something has happened which urged that feeling inside me to take that step, to work upon that skill. And that day, that month was May 2023. And what that happened exactly? There was a session, offline session in Faridabad branch. Those of you here, chartered accountants, must be knowing about mentorship program for 8 to 12 student, organized by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So faculty development program was there, a 3 to 4 hour session, offline session. I with my husband went there because to that founded ikigai of mine, I found like, yes, connecting with the student, it is matching to what I want to do. So let's explore it. So close to 100 fellow chartered accountants was there in that meeting hall. And the session was taken by Gaurav Agarwal, sir. He is into NIRC. Right now, he is treasurer. Wonderful session. After that, faculty, female faculty, she has run through a PPT that we supposed to use in that mentorship program. What happened at the end of the session? I realized that this PPT is meant for 11th, 12th student. Those have already chosen commerce subject. What about 8, 9, 10 student? Those are yet to decide which stream to choose. And I wanted to put across that point ahead. And I was in that feeling, wo कहते हैं ना कश्मकश, हाथ उठाऊं क्या नहीं उठाऊं. And in that period, everybody was asking their questions. Sir was giving answer. और मैं इसी कश्मकश में लगी हूँ, हाथ उठाऊं नहीं उठाऊं क्वेश्चन. आई वाज नोइंग क्वेश्चन वैलिड है. ये 1-2 मिनट तक चलता रहा. वो कहते हैं ना, ऊपर से सब कुछ वाज लुकिंग फाइन, बट अंदर से वो चलो चलो उठा लेते हैं, पूछ लेते हैं. इतने से ही लेफ्ट में 3 of the fellow chartered accountant, female chartered accountant, I got to know that they are taking regular session on mentorship program. One of them, without raising hand, asked, sir, वो 8, 9, 10 के स्टूडेंट के बारे में क्या, जिनको स्ट्रीम के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है, we will have to add PPT for that ना. And to her question, sir has taken almost 3 to 4 minutes to answer, yes, you have a valid point, and all that sort of thing. बट मेरा दिमाग उनके डिस्कशन को, उनके डेलिब्रेशन को नहीं सुन रहा था. वो मुझे कोस रहा था कि कल्पना, you have qualified in the year 2013. Now it is 2023. You have been worked for 5 years for one of the big four. And after that, you are into your own practice, mother of 2 kids. And damn it, you were not able to raise your hand and ask that simple, stupid query. आप लोगों को शायद अभी मेरी बात उतनी रिलेट नहीं कर रही है, लेकिन उस वक्त मुझे कैसा लगा, आई कैन स्टिल रिलेट टू इट. एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली चेंज फ्रॉम दैट डे, जो पिछली 20-25 साल में नहीं हुआ. मई 2023 से लेके अब तक ऐसा क्या हुआ कि वो जो कल्पना हाथ उठाने में भी नहीं से डर रही थी, now whatever I am able to accomplish, whatever you guys are knowing, that yes, this CA Kalpana Thakur is there, she is blah blah blah, but you know what, this Kalpana was existed from the year 1987 when I was born, and 10 years after that, when I was 10 years old, at that point of time I was having that feeling कि मैं क्या हूँ, मैं क्या बदल सकती हूँ. Thanks to my mother, I always have that feeling, and I totally believe it, that there is a special purpose behind my existence on this earth. And I believe all of us are having a special purpose. बहुत ही जतन से हमें एक मानव का शरीर मिलता है, एंड ऐसे ही हम, वो भगवान ने ये दुनिया बहुत ही सोच समझ कर बनाई है, और उसमें भी हमारा एग्जिस्टेंस, देयर इज अ रीजन. आई नो इट. एंड coming back to the point, इस कल्पना को पता था 1997, 96 से कि वो क्या है, but the world around me, like you guys, 14 of you, including me, you must have started realizing it from last 1 year. We'll discuss few of the strategies which I found helpful in taking that step which was not there in my life in those 2 decades. Are you guys able to correlate whatever I'm trying to share? Because it's me sharing my journey and not, I feel always to interact, but this was something where Nikita is saying yes. Coming back to the point, what I am, what Kalpana is. Similarly, each one of you, each 13 of you, what you are, what capabilities, what skill set, what talent do you possess, how people will know it. Don't you feel there is a urgency? जो मैंने मेरी लाइफ में the steps I have taken from last 1 year that I'm taking continuously, if it would have been taken long back when that seed, that indication I have received, the scenario would have been something different. But let me tell you one thing, even I'm grateful for this, whatever happened with me, because there is a reason. Then I'm able to put across my point and the importance of not doing, not working on your dream, on your public speaking skill every single day. What stakes you are having? क्या आप miss कर रहे हैं? You don't have to miss even yes, a single day of yours when it comes to working on your public speaking skills. And I'm here to tell you how it feels when you don't act, when you're not able to express yourself to the people around. It really feels like I'm encaged. And I have lived that life. Maybe I'll fall short of words that now how I am feeling. वो जो fairy tale में पर लग जाते हैं. When I'm able to speak out my heart to the people around me. कि कैसा लगता है, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या मेरी लाइफ में मैंने देखा, and that learning from it, or whatever new learnings I'm doing, how to share with all of you guys. So have that urgency. I would love that after finishing this session today, all of you will have your plans ahead, the way we will, few things we will discuss in that way, your action ready. I don't want all of you to have that even single day the way I had those 2 decades, more than 2 decades of my life where I've simply did nothing in spite of realizing that yes, this is something for me. Now a question I would like for all of you. When it comes to having that natural attitude from nervousness, here, if I'll tell all of you to deliberate a session in an offline event, 100 लोगों की भीड़ है, उसके सामने आपको बोलना है. What thought will come into your mind? If you would like to share, type in the chat box. If not, note it down. What first thing comes into your mind? I will share mine, but before that, I would like all of you to think and note it down. I would request to all of you for whom it is possible to keep your video on, because here we are for talking about public speaking, and keeping your video on is something which boosts our confidence. That's what my experience is. Thank you, Nikita. Thank you, Shefali. Upgrading is always required. Fear. jitter, how will I be looking, what people think about me, what if I made mistake, what will other think about me? Yes. Thank you, Jayanti ma'am, for keeping your video on. Yes. सबसे पहली बात और सबसे बड़ी बात हिंदी में अगर कहें तो when I was also working on the public speaking skill, I've heard it from many mentors and coaches. सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, है ना? या तो हमको पता नहीं है, या हम दिख कैसे रहे हैं. As Shefali has mentioned, हमारे पास knowledge नहीं है पूरा, या फिर हमारे पास कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, या फिर तो एक जो मुझे भी लगता था, देयर आर सो मेनी बुक्स, देयर आर सो मेनी इंटेलिजेंट पीपल्स अराउंड, मेरे पास ऐसा क्या नया है दैट विल आई विल बी एबल टू ऐड वैल्यू, है ना? बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं. If we will talk about today's session, there are many books on public speaking, there are many TED talks, mammoth of information is available. Why kalpana? What kalpana will add value? है ना? मेरे दिमाग में भी आना चाहिए था ना आज के सेशन लेने से पहले. बट एक बात कहूं आप लोगों को, one more thing I would like to mention here. The first thing, what other people will think. I take session in for the graduate student of soft skill and communication, and when I in the first day of ice breaking, when I tell them to come up on the stage or stand on their place and tell about themselves, their goals, nobody is easily ready except few of them, the extraordinary student, to speak up. और सबसे बड़ा रीजन यही कि उनके दोस्त हंसेंगे, कुछ उनसे गलती हो गई तो उनके दोस्त हंसेंगे. बट एक बात कहूं आपसे जो मैंने पर्सनली फील की है, दिस आई हैव शेयर्ड this week in my daily thought which I share in my group. जब हम एक ग्रुप फोटो देखते हैं ना, तो सभी इस बात को रिलेट करेंगे, हम किसी को नहीं देखते, इवन आवर स्पाउसेस, इवन आवर किड्स, हम खुद को ही देखते हैं ना. Those who are on with their, yes, Sunita is nodding her head, Shefali is nodding her head. सबकी अपनी जिंदगी है, सब अपनी भाग में अपनी गोल पोस्ट पे पहुंचने के लिए कश्मकश में है. 2-3 मिनट के लिए चलो मान ही लेते हैं किसी ने कुछ सोच भी लिया, तो किसी के कुछ गलत सोचने से आपके अकाउंट में से कुछ पैसे डेबिट होने वाले हैं क्या? अरे अभी मैं मेरा सेशन ना सुनीता अटेंड कर रही है, शील थिंक अरे व्हाट कल्पना इज स्पीकिंग, 500 रुपीज डेबिटेड फ्रॉम माय अकाउंट. ओ सुनीता, व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग, ये 500 रुपए मेरे अकाउंट से डेबिट हो गए, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? बट यू नो व्हाट, after today's session, even if Sunita is thinking like this, that I'm not adding any value to it, but when the next time I'll come up with my session, there will be improvement. ये आप लोग मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो? सभी को ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ वैल्यू एडिशन नहीं हो रहा है. आई एम नॉट डूइंग ग्रेट जॉब, बट टू मी आई नो दैट आई एम ग्रोइंग एंड लर्निंग. सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी है, बात कर ली हमने. आपके सामने बंदी खड़ी है जिसने 20 साल से ज्यादा लगा दिए ये रियलाइज करने में, आपको एक दिन भी और नहीं लगाना. एंड फिर वो सारे बातें जो आपको रोक रही है उसके बारे में भी सोच लिया. द बिगेस्ट वन, क्या कहेंगे लोग. अब बात आती है शुरू कहाँ से करें. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर हैविंग दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट polishing your public speaking skill, from where to start? Everybody is aware from where to start. Great. Okay, Sunita is thinking that from where to start. I was thinking like all the pointers that I have mentioned in the previous slide about those negative self-talk. Here I would like to mention one more incident. Earlier, when I used to have conversation, forget about public speaking, forget about speaking in front of groups. When I was having a that light, वो husband wife की जो simple कोई discussion होती है ना, उसमें भी I was not finding that I am able to put across a valid point. Why? Because back of the mind मेरे वो चलता था कि I am not a good speaker, मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है. I don't have any information. My husband, he is very good at current affairs. His IQ is very high. That's what I used to feel. अब शुरुआत कहाँ से करना है? Those of you who are there in my limiting belief session, you will be able to relate. Mind में क्या चल रहा है, वही लाइफ में चलेगा, है ना? ये वाला प्रोजेक्टर क्या प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा है, वही आप अपनी लाइफ में देखोगे. What I am talking to myself in all those years, what I was talking to myself, I don't have good knowledge. My English is not that great. I'm not a confident girl. My background is not that great. I've not got that opportunity to leverage my technical knowledge. All that sort of things were going into my mind, and because of which that incident happened कि छोटे से point को मुझे पूछना था और मैं अपना हाथ नहीं उठा पाई, because that's what my mind was projecting. So what you are talking about yourself, what your mind is talking about yourself, you have to start working from here, from your crown. यहाँ पे बात बननी शुरू होगी ना, धीरे धीरे everything will fall into place. Can I have few answers why you people want to work on your public speaking skills? Your why? Recently, there is a movie. Till the time you guys are typing, there are many favorite song of mine from Bollywood, but the recent one, the most favorite is from मैदान movie. कितने लोगों ने मैदान movie देखी है? देखी है किसी ने? अजय देवगन. There is a song जाने दो. उसमें एक line है, पहचानेगी दुनिया हमको, ऐसे दिन भी आएंगे. It is a very motivating song by A.R. Rahman. I was thinking to bring that part of the song, but due to time, I was not able to make it happen. Yes, so I have some answers in that. My way of communication is right or not, or think about judgment. Anjana, may I miss some important thing? People judgment. Okay, these are the few. Sunita, this is the relevant. It's very essential these days. Sunita is saying we have so much knowledge want to share with society. Jayanti ma'am is saying, Nidhi, share knowledge and increase my visibility. Exactly the way I have mentioned that Kalpana exist कर रही थी इतने सालों से, लेकिन बाकियों को नहीं पता था. I'm very curious about, conscious about my appearance. Okay, so the limiting belief Shefali is mentioning. Yes, if you are in job, maybe you want to ace that presentation. If you are a student and you want to crack that job interview, you want to have this skill. If you are a coach, trainer, or a public speaker like me, you should have this skill. कोई इसके अलावा option नहीं है. Or if you are a chartered accountant and practicing and want to develop your expertise, have that visibility to the fraternity ki yes, I am the expert on the RERA, I am the expert on the Companies Act, like Pramod Jain sir is there, Kamal Garg sir is there, many eminent personality, those have the grip on their respective area. So how they are able to do it? With the help of this skill, public speaking. So why you want to have it? For me, when I have realized in the Corona time that yes, connecting with the people and the way I have felt in all of those years of not working and excelling in my skill, communication and public speaking skill, how I felt caged and how I felt like I'm not progressing the way I should have been. दूसरों को वो स्थिति ना फेस करनी पड़े. I should be able to help them to reach their potential. That was my why. And having your why is not sufficient. We should have a clear, concrete plan for 12 months ahead, breaking it down to monthly, weekly, and daily tasks. Otherwise, क्या होता है? We are aware about the new year resolution. सभी को अपना weight lose करना होता है, public speaking skill polish करनी होती है, English communication skill polish करनी होती है, but कैसे करनी है वो we are not writing it. Weight lose करना है, कितने hours of exercise, क्या gym पे करना है, घर पे करना है, कितने बजे से कितने बजे करना है, वो किसी का written नहीं होता. Then what happens? We miss that goal to achieve. As against that, if I give you my example, that incident of career counseling faculty development program happened in May. I was aware about Toastmaster from last 1 year. The time I got connected with Adhukia sir, at that point of time, he only introduced that yes, there is a club in which you can polish your skill, but it was not happening as I was in Bihar. But from January to May, I took time because वो bell घंटी दिमाग में वो incident हुआ तब बजी. Immediately I went to the club, I've joined it, and I made a plan that yes, I have to be there on every meeting, I have to speak, I have to show, I have to take feedback. And not only that, I have to grab every single opportunity. It will be there to be on the stage and at the same time working on the technical knowledge of that domain as well. You have identified your biggest problem, your thinking, not problem exactly, your limiting belief of not starting, not deliberating a session to the crowd. We have talk about mindset, your why, and now 3 to 4 step I would like to mention. And first is knowing your subject. I will not start with practicing and giving it a try कि बस बोलते रहो, review लेते रहो. Before that, which is that area would you like to work upon? I was clear about my area where I would like to speak, that communication, public speaking, and motivation. Because of that clarity from the very first speech, those of you here clear about the Toastmaster, the first speech that we have to give is the icebreaker. In that icebreaker, I have shared my journey as a mother and a professional and a passion towards coaching and training, and how I am dealing all of these 3 things, and that guilt feeling at the end of the day where I used to feel that I'm not giving enough time to my kids. In my every speech, I have put across a message, a motivational message, and a learning from my own life. Why? Because I was clear on my subject. Most of the people in the club, they come to me and they ask that what topic we should choose. And it will what happen? No, I'm not only talking about the Toastmasters. It happens when we get the opportunity, like yesterday only, I got to know from someone that CPE committee is giving the opportunity to the new speakers and moderators to take the sessions. If here your why is not clear on which subject you want to polish, you want to take that subject ahead, you are not clear, you will be thinking and wondering ki kya bolu. You will discuss with different people कि मैं किस पे बोलूं. अरे भाई कल्पना किस टॉपिक पे बोलना चाहती है, किस बात को आगे ले जाना चाहती है, in which area she want to pursue or she want to work, or Sunita wants to work on which area, which subject, or Shefali or any of you want to work for which area, which subject. भाई अगल बगल का कोई कैसे बताएगा, बताओ. Who is the right person to decide? Type in the chat box. मैं खुद ही बातें करी जा रही हूँ बिकॉज टॉपिक ही ऐसा है, मगर आप लोग भी कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं ये भी जानना जरूरी है. कौन बताएगा कि किस टॉपिक पे बोलना है? अब आज के बाद जो प्लान बनाना है, आपको स्ट्रैटेजी बनाना है फॉर एवरी डे, एवरी वीक, एवरी मंथ, ऑन विच टॉपिक हु विल डिसाइड? सेल्फ. यस. अब टॉपिक डिसाइड कर लिया, अब उसके बाद क्या? फिर से मैं अपना एग्जाम्पल दूंगी भाई, क्योंकि मैंने आप लोगों को बुलाया ही सेशन में यही बोल के ना कि मैं अपने जर्नी का ग्लिम्स दूंगी, तो पहले मैं अपनी जर्नी का ग्लिम्स दे रही हूँ, देन आई विल एबल टू रिलेट टू इट. लेट मी जस्ट चेक द टाइमिंग. 4:40 हो गया, 20 मिनट्स वी हैव मोर, एंड आई हैव टेकन 15 मिनट्स ग्रेस पीरियड. एंड सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू. अब सब्जेक्ट डिसाइड कर लिया, मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकिंग, कम्युनिकेशन, ठीक है ना? अब ये तो है, these terms are not a just a word or a small subject. अथाह सागर है. लाइक अगर आप कंपनीज एक्ट की कोई आप बात करें, ये तो हो गया सेल्फ हेल्प टॉपिक और सॉफ्ट स्किल, टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज. अगर हम टेक्निकल टॉपिक की बात करें जैसे कंपनीज एक्ट और इनकम टैक्स, isn't it having many legs and many parts? है कि नहीं है? आपका जो टॉपिक है, अगर आप उसकी बात करें, जैसे मैंने कंपनीज एक्ट और इनकम टैक्स की बात करी है, उसको फिर छोटे छोटे पार्ट में हमें डिकंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, एंड वी हैव टू टेक one thing at a time. If you would have been noticing the pattern of me taking this session, on the first week I have taken on communication, how to start your journey. Next week again I have taken on communication, how to start strong. Then on the storytelling, and this week I'm talking about my favorite of all, public speaking. So the way I have mentioned the motivational communication soft skill, I am taking one thing at a time and then working on it. तो ब्रेक डाउन करिए, क्या एरिया आप चूज कर रहे हैं, उसमें स्पेसिफिकली कौन सा सब एरिया यू हैव टू लुक एट फर्स्ट. जैसे हम इनकम टैक्स की बात करें तो देयर इज इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन, देन देयर इज अ डिफरेंट हेड्स ऑफ इनकम. इफ यू विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग सेशन ऑन इट, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप 1 घंटे में सारा कुछ बोल देंगे. यू हैव टू चूज वन बाय वन बेसिस योर इंटरेस्ट, विच एरिया यू हैव टू टेक फर्दर. और उसके बाद आता है बड़ा ही इंपॉर्टेंट, लर्न इनफ टू सेल्फ करेक्ट. इसका मतलब क्या है? अब मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मुझे कम्युनिकेशन एंड पब्लिक स्पीकिंग सॉफ्ट स्किल पे बोलना है. अब मैं कहूंगी जितनी भी इस टॉपिक पे अवेलेबल बुक्स है ना, पहले मुझे वो पढ़नी है, ठीक है? जितने भी टेड टॉक अवेलेबल है, मैं वो सारे पहले देखूंगी. उसके अलावा और भी जितने गुड कंटेंट इज अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट, आई विल वॉच देम. I'll read all the available article. I'll have the best courses available I'll attend the best courses available in the market. Then I'll think about starting. ऐसा मैंने कभी सोचा था, इसीलिए मैं मेंशन कर रही हूँ. अगर आप में से ऐसा कोई नहीं सोच रहा, then great. But if any one of you are thinking like that, then hear me out. Learning slowly and practicing. आपको सेशन नहीं लेना. Record your video. I have taken in December 21 days public speaking challenge, and in that too, I picked random topic of self help. I started speaking on it. उस वक्त मैंने ये नहीं सोचा कि अरे information मेरे पास enough नहीं है. Maybe it is not looking that good. Even today also, I'm not having the great number of subscribers and the great number of viewership on my channel. But those videos every day putting on it has put in effort. Enough amount of effort. किसी वीडियो में मुझे 20-20, 30-30 बार मैंने रिकॉर्ड करा है. And I've experienced the change in my delivery style, in my speaking style. When I'm talking about the change in my speaking style, I'm having a video for all of you that I have recorded for someone's testimonials. I'll show you, provided आप लोग हंसोगे नहीं उस पे. So what I was telling, learn enough to self correct. पढ़िए उसको. And here again I would like to bring into the point that the best way to learn is teaching. अग्री करते हैं आप लोग इस बात को कि नहीं? The best way of learning that, I forgot the percentage of retention when we read, when we write, when we watch, when we hear, in as compared to all of those, जब आप किसी को पढ़ा रहे हैं, you will remember it the most. And trust me, whatever the speeches I have given till date, it is more than 50, all offline, online sessions, speeches I have given, और जो भी मैंने बोला है, जो भी मैंने practice करा है, the retention at my end is tremendous as compared to other me. So don't wait of finishing all. So don't wait for finishing all of that material and at one go and then doing वो start वाला ribbon काटने का wait नहीं करो, है ना? Sunita is laughing. You have to start. How to start? We will talk about it. Maybe not today, in the future sessions ahead. But there are you are aware बहुत सारे options available है. We are living in a technology world, in a social media world where tremendous opportunity and options are available to practice for teaching. Remove practice barriers. इसका मतलब क्या है? Here, every Sunday, I'm receiving a lot of requests about joining Toastmasters Club, but this I've mentioned earlier also. एक ही तो दिन मिलता है हफ्ते में फैमिली के साथ और खुद के साथ स्पेंड करने का, वो भी चले जाएं टोस्टमास्टर्स की मीटिंग में. Law of paying price, I have mentioned in my first session of communication mastery. If you have to learn something, you'll have to pay price. And any of the barrier, if you are feeling in the journey, in the path of you mastering that skill, practicing that skill, you have to remove that barrier. बहुत सारे लोग मेरे आसपास के जो मुझे देखते हैं, मुझे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, मुझे कहते हैं कि किस बात की रेस है, क्यों इतना भाग रही हो? Really, they are telling कि you should live for yourself also. कुछ me time निकालो. या तो ऑफिस का काम कर रही हो, या तो ट्रेनिंग का कर रही हो, कभी फ्राइडे फ्लीट कर रही हो, कभी टोस्ट मास्टर कर रही हो, क्या चल क्या रहा है? Can't you take break? But they will not be knowing that कि ये भागना ना 20-25 साल बाद शुरू हुआ है. इतने साल से ना आराम ही कर रही थी, ब्रेक ही ले रही थी. And those break that was actually was making me feel like I was sitting on the fire, not having that peace at mind. Even by outside, I may have been looking that everything is fit and fine, but that was not actually the case. So see what is that barrier which is stopping you to practice. And the one and the most important formula to have confidence, to convert your nervousness to your natural state is practice, 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 repetition, repetition, repetition. And when I talk about repetition, you will think that what can be the most suitable way to practice. Here, I would like to mention about Demosthenes. He was born in Greece in 384 BC, one of the greatest orator in history. Why I'm bringing his story to us? कि अगर किसी को कुछ करना है, कुछ पाना है, तो I found his story very motivating. There are numerous personalities and legend in the history, but right now I want to mention about him. He got orphaned at the age of 7, and he found that his guardian was not did well when it comes to his possession and wealth of his father and his family, और उनको वो लड़के उनसे लेना था. That was the case. एक तो उनके साथ अत्याचार हुआ था when it comes to his belonging and his wealth. He was having a bad health issues. He was stammering. हकलाते थे, तोतलाते थे. There were numerous problems with him. And how he worked on him, he practiced a lot by keeping pebble in his mouth that forced him to clearly enunciate what he was speaking. और इतना सब मेहनत करने के बाद जब वो गए कोर्ट में, जब उन्होंने दिया अपना deliberation, what has happened? His first attempt in public speaking was disastrous, with the audience jeering and laughing him off. Why? Because he has not worked on his content, on his subject. Then he realized the importance of knowing the law and his subject, his technicals. After that, he went to more rigorous practice. I've read, उन्होंने ऐसा एक जमीन के तल से नीचे एक ऐसा घर बनाया. He locked himself for 3 months. He shaved half of his head so that even if he want to step out of his house, he will not be able to because of his appearance. And he practiced rigorously. And he became the greatest orator in the history. When we talk about the confidence, let's take an example of this presentation or any presentation or any speech I want to give. I will practice it enough 10 times, 15 times. Then what is there for the session? Maybe I'll be delivering it for 11 time or 16 time. एक बार और ही तो मुझे attempt करना है. Why nervousness and fear happens? क्या होगा अगर हम भूल गए? क्या होगा अगर हमने गलत कर दिया? और इस सारे मर्ज की दवा एक ही है, practice. How Kalpana is today and what she was a year back. I would like to share one video. सभी लोग मेरे साथ हैं कि नहीं है या फिर अपने ख्यालों में है कहीं? Today's interaction is not more. Can I have some answer in the chat box? Use AI tool for practicing. Yes, Bhaskar. Yardley I'm using. There are many things. We will have a separate session for this practicing. Is my YouTube screen is visible? Sunita, is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so this is a testimonial I've recorded for Samir sir before giving my that 30th September 2002 session on opportunities in corporate law, and just see how I'm speaking. It is a 4-minute video. I'll not share the whole one. Just I want to show you what I was and what I am today.
Practicing chartered accountant. So today I want to share my initial journey of public speaking, how it went, and how Samir has helped me a lot to do it in a way I actually wanted. So, my first virtual public speaking session was at the end part of September, and I was having around a month's time to prepare for it. And I was towards the preparation of technical part, I was giving my 200%. But when it was coming about the deliberation, how it so much nervousness, worry that how I will be able to deliberate, what type of response I'll get from the audience. So because of which even my preparation towards technical part was up to the mark according to me, but I was not getting the confidence, even a 10% confidence.
I saw Shefali is laughing, and you know what? One day from 1 year from today, if I'll look back to this session recording, maybe at that point of time, again, I'll laugh, because if I'll be practicing continuously on my public speaking and communication skill, there will be improvement. Are you guys agreeing to it or not?
Very true.
Yes,
Yes.
Kalpana.
Yeah, thank you, Shefali. So what I was mentioning, from last 1 year, every opportunity I'm getting to speak, even when it comes to moderating a session, when the time comes to giving speech in the Toastmasters or starting a session in Friday Fleet, every single opportunity I do practice before giving that final speech. So practice is the key to excel. Practice is the key to have that confidence. Here is the quote, only the prepared speaker deserve to be confident. And the second part, visual mental rehearsal. दिमाग पे काम कर लिया, प्रैक्टिस भी कर रहे हैं, अपने सब्जेक्ट एरिया पे भी कर रहे हैं, then what this visual mental rehearsal I am talking about. जो एफर्ट मैं डाल रही हूँ, जो सब्जेक्ट मैं स्टडी कर रही हूँ, जो सेशंस मैं दे रही हूँ, what we have started, that mindset we have talked about. Everything which is happening first created in mind. पहले दिमाग में एक thought आया, I will be taking this session, this thought was came into my mind a year back. And today it is happening in reality. So first thoughts are happening, then words, and then the action. That's how the creation is happening. And when you are practicing, when you are putting your effort, whether you are visualizing your success as a public speaker or not, that is important. Those who know me closely, they are aware that how much I praise myself every morning, that visualization, affirmation, and recently, thanks to NLP Satsang run by Pinaki, that incantation by Tony Robbins, I got to know, I have added it into my list. I am world's #1 motivational speaker, corporate trainer, mindset coach. That's what I tell to myself from last 1 year. To this, most of the people say, अरे ये ख्याली पुलाव करने के साथ साथ एक्शन करना पड़ेगा. हमने बात करी एक्शन की. We are having the grip. We are talking about having the grip on the subject matter of ours. But at the same time, working on our mindset is also important. And this time I am having a study for you to prove what this visual mental rehearsal can do wonders to us. There is a study conducted in 1950s in the University of Chicago by Dr. Bios Soto on basketball players. All of those players was formed in divided into 3 groups. First group did the practice, actual practice of free throw. The second group did nothing, no practice, only visualization, and third group did nothing. And after a month, you will be amazed that the progress in the first group was by 24%, and the progress in the second group was 23%, only 1% less than those who have actually practiced it. And what exactly happened? When we do the visualization, and not only visualization, that I'll close my eyes and I'll look that, yes, today's session on 21st June from 4 to 5:15 p.m. Kalpana will be great in this today's public speaking session. Not only that, I will go through each of the stories, each of the part I would like to share with my audience, how they'll be able to relate it, how they'll be able to feel it, and how I'll feel by sharing that piece of experience with you. Here, when we talk about visualization, I would like to share, and I'm glad to share that today at the time of visualizing in the afternoon around 2 to 3 p.m., I actually started crying when I've relived that moment when my cousin brother told me that yehi sabse bada skill hai. So that intensity, the feeling I'm having, that every single person, that those who will attend my session, after this session, they should take the action towards working on their public speaking skill to the minute detail that visualization should happen. And when we do that, what it happens, we are actually programming our subconscious mind, our subconscious brain, which will help us to work on our target. It will supplement our effort of practice. And the third and very important part, वो जो स्टेज पे जाने से पहले, परफॉर्मेंस से पहले, वो that sweating, वो हाथ पैर कांपने लगते हैं, जबान लड़खड़ाने लगती है, अभी अब क्या होगा, how I'll be able to do it. what simple strategy I was feeling it, I was using it in the past. And yesterday I went through a video, very powerful video by Mel Robinson. It is actually to the sync what I'm using, a little bit enhancement before my performance, a presentation or a speech, offline speech. 60 minutes prior to that, I stopped doing practice or revisiting my thought or my notes or my PPT. And what I do deep breathings. And I tell myself that I am going to do it well. I'm going to ace it. I'm going to connect with my audience. They are going to laugh with me. They are going to make sense of every single word I'm going to tell to them. That's what I am doing. What Mel Robbins said, that there are two different feelings. One is fear and one is excitement. And if you will observe your body in both the scenario, the symptoms of your body will be same. That sweating, that congestion in your heart, that tummy ache, all that of sort of feeling. The only difference is what your mind is telling to your body. Is that presentation or speech I'm going to give, oh my God, there are hundreds of people, there are 50 of people, what I'm going to say, kya hoga, kaise bolungi, kahin kuch ladkhada gayi. That indication from your brain. As against that, oh my God, I got the opportunity to deliberate a session, to share my thoughts to these 50 or 100 people. And I'm feeling excited. I'm going to do it. I'm going to share the idea of how I ace that journey from being the girl, the lady that she struggled to raise her hand and ask that simple question, to the stage of Josh Talk, how I went that journey, कैसे वो सफर मैंने पार किया, आज मैं उनके साथ शेयर करूंगी, and it is going to inspire them to take action towards their journey, their dream of public speaking. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make them take the action after my session. The excitement, क्या होगा? लाइट चली गई, बारिश आ गई, मैंने कहा हे वाह, मेरे साथ है ना, कुदरत भी एकदम एक्साइटेड है देखने के लिए कि मेरे सेशन के बाद आज क्या होने वाला है. With that, I would like to share a poem recited by me recently on the Toastmaster journey in the area level contest. And why I would like to share this poem, because the recently what we have discussed about before stepping on the stage, here I was having all new faces. It happened in Nagaro, Gurgaon, not in our club. It was a division level contest before a district level. And all the new faces, 100 of them, all were great public speakers. And मुट्ठी भर नहीं, मुझे पूरा आसमान चाहिए. मुझे अपनी पोयम बोलनी थी हिंदी में. पोयम वहां पे सब इंग्लिश बोलने वाले सारे स्पीकर, सारे जजेस and contest chair, everybody. So what I was telling just before going on the stage, that mic was the same dress I was wearing on that day also. So the girl, she was putting, her name is Manya, she was at that point of time contest chair. She was putting that mic here, and I was reminding myself, you are going to be great. You are going to do it great. And she said, yes, you will be great. And I would like to show you this video and ask at the end, am I looking nervous? And you have to be honest with it. And here, family, I always found myself ambitious. Are you able to hear it? And this poem, which I'm going to recite, I have written 10 years back, the year 2013, when that magical prefix C was added before my name. 2-3 days back, I have made little changes in the concluding paragraph of that poem, and I think you all will relate to it. So here it is. मुट्ठी भर नहीं, मुझे पूरा आसमान चाहिए. है दिल के जो अरमान, कर सकूं उनको पूरा. हौसलों में मेरी
मुझे कुछ ऐसी उड़ान चाहिए, माना मंजिल पास नहीं, मुश्किलों भरी राह सही, माना मंजिल पास नहीं, मुश्किलों भरी राह सही, मिले राह आसान मुझे कि अब कभी मैंने ऐसी चाह नहीं, मुट्ठी भर नहीं, मुझे पूरा आसमान चाहिए। चाहे निकले कलम से मेरी कविता की कली से, चाहे निकले कलम से मेरी कविता की कली से, रखे जमाना याद जिसे, कुछ तो ऐसा बदलाव मुझको चाहिए, मुट्ठी भर नहीं, मुझे पूरा आसमान चाहिए। Now that public speaker, that toastmaster in me. कुछ पल का शोर नहीं, धरती का एक छोर नहीं, कुछ पल का शोर नहीं, धरती का एक छोर नहीं, पूरी दुनिया में जो गूंज उठे शब्दों में मेरे, मुझे कुछ ऐसा रुझान चाहिए, मुट्ठी भर नहीं, मुझे पूरा आसमान चाहिए, मुट्ठी भर नहीं, मुझे पूरा आसमान चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच। Family, I always
That's conclude my session for today. And I feel like today is one of my favorite session because I felt like lot of energy. और अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब आवाज मेरी ना बैठे जा रही है कि even I've tried to stop myself to calm down, but I think it is happening naturally that I want you to make feel and understand that what I've been gone through in those years and what I'm going through right now when I felt like, as I have mentioned, coming out of that cage. Going ahead, we will discuss that जब हम बात कर रहे थे ग्रुप और उसको पार्ट्स में डिकंस्ट्रक्ट करने की प्रैक्टिस, नर्वसनेस, we will talk more on each of the topic in detail in the coming sessions ahead. आज के लिए इस एपिसोड में इतना ही था. But before that, one important question which is there, Sunita will share the link of the feedback with you in the chat box, and also a group, WhatsApp group link. I have created a group of Art of Influence where I share every day a thought closely related to working upon either our thoughts, influence, power, or communication or public speaking. So you have to mention down, in spite of discussing these pointers, is there something else which is stopping you? And what it will do, it will help me for my sessions, upcoming sessions, to work upon that area. So I would urge all of you to mention that point. And with that, I am opening the forum for the questions.
Yes, I was just about to say, if anyone, thank you, Kalpana, for a wonderful session. Am I audible now? Am I?
Yes, yes, you are
there's some
audible.
issue. Okay.
Yeah.
So if anyone has any questions for Kalpana, please go ahead. You could unmute yourself or you can type in the. Any questions, guys? Okay, till someone comes up, I have a question, Kalpana. So ever since you have dealt with confidence and your public speaking jitters, so have you noticed any impact in other areas of your life? Has this confidence changed something else for you?
Yes, definitely. When it comes to, I've heard it from many of the mentors, coaches. I've read it then. And the one point I've talked about immersion. In my session of mastering your communication skill. So a trainer or a public speaker or a player, they will not be, I'm not a speaker or a public speaker, public speaking coach or a soft skill trainer coach for this 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes or for that time slot when I am delivering my session. Actually, the process happens at all the time and in all sort of areas. As compared to earlier, when I interact with anybody, that awareness inside me prompts me to have that interest in the people which is there in front of me. And my husband, he is the first one to notice that there is a change in my attitude. And here, maybe I don't know whether I'm answering exactly for your question, Sunita, but what happens, as I have mentioned about having a game plan and a strategy to work ahead, you will not find time to do that, all that negative talk. वो जो हो रहा था मेरे साथ पहले, या फिर अगर हम सभी के साथ ऐसा होता है कि what will happen, what will not happen, make yourself so much occupied in the activities, the way you will plan one after the other, कि वो negative thoughts को आने का मौका ही ना मिले. And first, and the very important point, awareness in my life, it is actually impacting in a positive way. I'll be honest, not only in positive way, there is some, when I run, as I mentioned, कि लोग जब कहते हैं इतना भाग क्यों रही हो, तो kids, उनका अभी जैसे for example, they are on their summer vacation, and the elder one, Keshav, he is having lots of questions. Mama ये क्यों है, mama वो क्यों है. So when I'm reading or working on my subject, or when I'm rehearsing, sometime I feel like इंसान ही तो है कि बेटा थोड़ी देर ऐसे time दे दो ना mama को. And yesterday night only, when I wanted to complete this PPT and he wanted to have his question, his curious mind to be settled, तो वो थोड़ा सा I told him हम कल बात करेंगे, आप अपना सारा खत्म करो. Then he said, आप प्यार से क्यों नहीं बोलते हो माँ? प्यार से बोलो ना, फिर मैं समझ जाऊंगा.
So
I
sweet.
know. I know.
So
So my
sweet.
daughter also, when I'm engaged somewhere else, so she's going to say that you stopped, giving me time, and and pehle it was that you're taking too much of my
Yes.
time.
Yes.
So give me space.
So I am at that place, Sunita, where they want my time, and both of us are right on our place, because their mother, she has not worked on it, on which she always wanted to work from, as I mentioned, from decades. And they are also correct. They want their mother's time. But yes, as earlier, I was not fulfilling the responsibility of a mother, a professional, not per se professional. I was doing great when it is putting my effort. But at the end, I've mentioned it couple of times to my close friends and my mentors that now is the time I'm actually enjoying my life. भले ही ऐसा लग रहा है बाहर से कि टाइम नहीं मिल रहा, और थोड़ा सा ना there is a what principle of paying price. तो थोड़ा सा adjustment is needed. And I have attended a self-help course. I'm taking too long to answer your question. Self-help parenting course where Manasa Chandra, she was the trainer from South, and she said, don't instruct them, inspire them. So they are watching me day and out, either watching, reading, practicing something or the other. Mostly I'm with my laptop or watching any video or reading something. So basically that is going inside their head.
To impact them.
It will impact them. And yet मैं अभी वो perfect packet नहीं हूँ कि मुझे खुद पे काम नहीं करना है when it comes to handling parenting also gracefully. So when I mentioned about that incantation and affirmation, there is a affirmation and incantation that I am the best mother of this whole earth. Shefali is saying Tathastu.
So she has
I
a
want to
question.
speak something. Of course, yes.
Yeah, please go
Okay,
ahead.
but I want to speak something.
Yes. Yeah, I hope I've answered your question, Sunita.
Yes, to a certain extent, yes. I was wanting some more information as to whether you've been able to be more, confident in other areas of life,
Yes,
and
definitely.
if that is,
Definitely.
about your boundaries and stuff like that. So, just to, give me myself a boost as to, yes, if I, manage this, I climb this hill, then so many other things in my life will also, fall in
Everywhere.
place.
Everywhere.
Thank you so much. Yeah, Shefali, please do.
Yeah, so what I want to add is, first thing is, you are preparing two future confident and very smart public speaker in your family, which are your two sons, Kalpana, because whatever, as you mentioned, they are seeing, it is going in their mind, and they will be like, they will not be required to go to Toastmasters to learn all these things. It is imbibed in them. And second thing is, as you mentioned, when you showed us your video of your first speech at Toastmasters. So why I was laughing is, I mean, it was a hell lot of difference between that Kalpana and this Kalpana. It was something, as I mentioned on the chat also, like it was your, as if it is, she's your cousin's twin sister. But I mean, definitely, even everyone could have observed, and even I observed that that was not a very confident Kalpana. And like, you were looking out for the words, you were gasping for words in between the two
And
sentences, or like,
yes, yes, I
there was no
myself
fluency
starts
basically.
laughing. Yes,
No, it
yes.
was not a laughter or a sarcastic laughter.
I
It
got your
was a,
point. I got your point.
ha. So I was looking at the like difference, and now that you are not you don't have to search for words. And basically,
Yes.
if you ask me at present, while I'm speaking, I have to search for words when I'm talking. Currently, also, like it is not as fluent as you are able to express yourself. Maybe because I am on a public platform, or maybe I am in front of, say, 12 to 15 people. Maybe that is the reason. It is not that I don't know English, but that is the difference between that Kalpana and this Kalpana, or maybe between today's Kalpana and between me. So it
So
was
the
really
difference between today's Kalpana and today's Shefali is only that number of hours that Kalpana
exactly,
has put in and that Shefali is
exactly,
yet to put. You will
correct,
be
correct,
exactly
exactly,
on the same tone and pace where I am
yeah,
today after
exactly,
putting. We will talk about more in the upcoming sessions. We have heard about mastery and that outlier book, that 10,000 rule. And I've recently gone through a very powerful TED talk where he talks about 20-hour rule. We'll talk about much in the upcoming sessions. So the only difference is the practice, practice, practice,
correct.
repetition,
Practice, yes.
repetition, repetition.
Correct, correct, correct. And one more
So,
thing, what I wanted to ask is, as you mentioned in your earlier part of this session, like everyone has to find out their ikigai or their purpose for being on this universe or planet, basically. So for me, like, I am really like, I don't know why this is the, like, a phase of my life wherein I have never found so much of time for myself till now. And this is something I'm trying to take it in a positive way rather going negative, because at times I feel very bad, like, I'm not doing anything, like, sitting at home. But I change my mindset, like, as you mentioned, whatever is going into your mind, don't put, like, don't have that limiting belief thing. So what I was trying to say is, yes, coming back to, like, I have always been remained occupied, and I'm very, like, मुझे कोई भी काम दे दो, मतलब आई एम नॉट सेल्फ प्रेजिंग, बट दिस इज माय एक्सपीरियंस, मुझे कोई भी काम दे दो, मैं इतना ही इंटरेस्ट से करती हूँ. तो व्हाई आई एम मेंशनिंग दिस, अगर मैं मेरा इकिगाई फाइंड करने जाती हूँ, तो मुझे ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. तो देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच आई एम, लाइक, नॉट एबल टू गेट माय एग्जैक्ट इकिगाई.
I'm
तो वो
glad.
अभी हम लोग,
I'm glad you have mentioned this query. You would be happy to know that I was also having a similar kind of a situation. नहीं ऐसा नहीं था कि ये भी करना है, but I've asked this question in multiple forum to the multiple speakers in the virtual session कि मुझे ये लग रहा है मुझे public speaking करना चाहिए, but my traditional practice is what my bread and butter. हाँ उसको मैं छोड़ दूंगी तो ये कैसे होगा? And I've asked this question to CA Alok Sethi sir also a year back in a session he took, finding your ikigai. So tomorrow, together, both of us together coming the session finding your ikigai, it will be having my journey how I've asked. So we want to relive that moment, that what we say a benchmark movement I had last year in his session, and he is happy. I'm happy to have, because it helped me a lot. I've asked that question to Samir. I've asked that question to many people. Shama sir, he is one of my mentor. He was there for a couple of minutes in the session. And today from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. we are coming up with the session. The flyer and the detail we'll share soon. And I look forward to see you tomorrow, Shefali, and we'll discuss more about it tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure. ठीक है. So it was
Nidhi,
great
want
sharing your journey with us. So lots and lots of gratitude, and I mean, way to go for you, and sky is the limit for you. So just go out and grab the sky. And this is applicable for all the women on this session. We should have the same thought process. Maybe currently everyone may be stuck up somewhere, but we should have this thought process in our mind that we have to go and grab the sky, and it is not
Yes.
impossible for us. It is very much possible for us.
I would love to hear your action. The way I have mentioned, I would be more happy. The way I'm mentioning, आज के session के बाद आपका action और action दिखना चाहिए. Where you are putting in your effort to excel every single day. एक पल भी, एक क्षण भी अब से हमें सोचने पे नहीं गवाना है. We have to put in your effort. So we
Can I
were close to 16, 17, 8 of us, including me, are here. But आप लोगों
Nidhi
के
wants to say
action.
something.
can I
Sorry
add
to
something?
interrupt. Yeah.
Yes.
So I had
You're not audible, Nidhi.
this podcast with Sudha Kannan. Is it any better now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So I had this podcast with Sudha Kannan, ma'am. She's an international life coach, and she had beautifully answered this question that how can you find your ikigai when you are tempted towards multiple different things from different fields and categories. I've mentioned the link to the podcast as well. Shefali ma'am, it would really help you if you can go through the entire podcast. Maybe you can skip the first few minutes of it and view the podcast after that. That would really be a great help, I think.
I will also
Okay,
watch
sure,
that
I will do that.
podcast.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Nidhi.
So, does
Thank you
anyone
so much.
have any other questions for Kalpana, or shall we go ahead with winding up the session? No. So I want to thank you, Kalpana, and thank you thanks to each and every one of you for listening so patiently and waiting. Though we've exceeded our time limit, but your patience and your active listening to the session and the tips that Kalpana had for us through her journey. And I know I am going to take back the VMR as well as how beautifully, Kalpana, you have kept track of your progress. So that is something that, I never thought about it, but I'm going to make a file for how I am progressing in my attempts. So this is very impactful and very a new thing to think. I never thought about capturing such stuff for myself. So this has opened a new learning for me. And thank you all for your wonderful
Hello.
patience. Yes, Sujata, you wanted to say something?
That first inspiring thought, Kalpana ji said that, and poem to be shared in the group. I was writing it and I missed it.
Okay, so Sujata liked your poem, so she wants that to be shared in the group.
And inspiring first thought which comes in mind and how to work on that. You said something that one.
Yeah, I remember. It is. I'll share. I have the. It is written on the PPT. The any thought which comes into your mind, it is the indication of that supreme power that it is already yours. The
Yes,
only
yes,
thing
yes.
you have to do is put in your effort to make it yours. Just give me a minute. I am having it written on a PPT. Or you are there on our group, Sujata?
The
I
Art of
just joined
Influence?
the group.
Okay.
Art of Influence, you have joined now?
Yeah, I joined just now.
I'll share that screenshot on the group.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe I'll take 2-3 minutes to search it and I'll waste all of your time. So I'll share definitely after ending this session.
The poem was very good and I want to listen it. Please share that also.
Yeah, I'll share that also. It is one of my best poem. I've written it immediately after qualifying. मुट्ठी भर नहीं मुझे पूरा आसमान चाहिए. Thank you for appreciation.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you all. And shall we wind up, Kalpana?
Yes, Sunita, we are good to wind up. Thank you so much for moderating the whole session so nicely and with ace. Gratitude to you and gratitude to all my participants who have been there from the start till now. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Same to you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Precious ji.